Hey everyone! Today I have a truly epic tale for you. It's the story of Iceberg A23a, the world's biggest iceberg, and its incredible journey. Let's dive right in. Iceberg A23a, nearly 1 trillion metric tons of frozen water carved from the Filchner ice shelf in Antarctica way back in 1986. That's nearly 4 decades ago. To put its size into perspective, this colossal chunk of ice covers an area of 3,672 square kilometers. That's slightly smaller than the state of Rhode Island and more than twice the size of London. Impressive, right? For over 30 years, A23a rested peacefully on the seabed in the Weddell Sea. But in 2020, it decided it was time for an adventure. It began drifting, slowly but surely, through the frigid waters of the Southern Ocean. Now imagine this giant iceberg drifting freely until late 2024, when it temporarily got stuck on an undersea mountain. But did that stop A23a? Of course not. It broke free and continued its journey, eventually grounding itself 90 kilometers off the coast of South Georgia, a British overseas territory, by March 2025. And now you might be wondering, what does this mean for the environment? Initially, there were concerns that A23a could block access to feeding grounds for seals and penguins on South Georgia. But fear not. Experts from the British Antarctic Survey believe it's unlikely to significantly affect local wildlife if it stays grounded. In fact, as the iceberg melts, it could release nutrients that boost the regional ecosystem. Talk about turning a problem into an opportunity. But let's not get too comfortable. Once A23a begins to break apart, the smaller icebergs it spawns could pose hazards to fishing and shipping in the area. Past experiences with large icebergs have shown that they can disrupt fishing operations quite significantly. Now let's zoom out a bit. While A23a's journey is part of a natural cycle and not directly linked to climate change, it does remind us of the bigger picture. Global warming is causing significant changes in Antarctica, with potential implications for sea level rise around the world. So there you have it, folks, the epic journey of Iceberg A23a, from its birth in Antarctica to its adventures on the high seas, and finally, its grounding near South Georgia. It's a story of nature's raw power, the interconnectedness of ecosystems, and a subtle reminder of the pressing issue of climate change. If you found this story as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible tales from the natural world. Until next time, stay curious.